Have you ever boarded an old train, one that looks like it's been taken out of a movie? Today I take you to a magical place hidden in Los Angeles, the Traveltown Museum. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by huge steel locomotives, each with its own story. Some are over 100 years old and were part of the development of the American West. You can walk between the train cars, get on some of them, and imagine how people traveled in another time, when moving from city to city was an entire adventure.